Hello everybody, my name is Vasu. Welcome back to channel. It's good to see you here. So this is episode 5 and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a 3D or 2D pop-up card, sorry. So I'm going to show you how to make a 2D pop-up card. So let's begin. So all you need is this card and this cutout that I made already because I can't even take too much time to make a long YouTube video. So I've actually made those things already, so I'll explain it in detail. So this is the cardboard, two sides. This is the thin one, and on the black one is a thick one. So I stick it together. I took the A4 size sheets and I made it into a half, and I took that first half and stick the uh, black cardboard on the other half on the white ones so that it becomes stiff like this. And for this heart shape, I made this myself, but don't worry, there might be some mistakes here. So what I did is I made my heart shape like this, and I colored it with red watercolor, and I stuck the cardboard on the back side of this colored paper. Well, actually, this one is the a thin cardboard. Okay, so it will be almost look like paper, and this side is the color paper. So what I did is I made a cutout like this, and don't worry, there's that mark here right there. So I will decorate it very soon. Okay, so let's finish the process right now, shall we? Okay, for this part, which I actually left the line like this to make a little decoration of this, I got uh, oil pastel like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade it like this so that it becomes really a little dark on this red color. So I'm going to light it up a little so that it feels a little vibrant, and it's easy to make it a see-through or others of some sort. So it took me on the previous second day to make this thing, and so that's the reason uh, there's some other stories I have to tell to you in this video. So episode 6 will be coming up very soon. Okay, so I already made my Twitter account before uh, July or August, I guess, of this year. Okay, so there you go. You see that I made this color to give it a good shade, and this is how it looks like. So all I had is this Fevicol or PVA glue, we say, or this is MR. So what I'm going to do is the card, and you know how this 2D pop-up card works. So this is how it's stuck like this. On that folded edge only, right in the center, you have to make a little uh, a space like this to make sure that it doesn't fall. So that's how it looks like. But if you can leave it just a little, it would be a little good here to see it like this. So what I'm going to do is I will write a letter with a black pen, and we'll stick this part, okay? But it takes a little time though, so hold on a second. Okay guys, so I wrote this. But don't worry, huh? It's actually a type of a Valentine's Day card though, but I did this for you all who stayed for a long time during the pandemic. But people have been survived so many times, so to do their best for the future. So this is for all of the fans who are watching this today. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I put that glue right here. And because the cardboard's little foldable while glue is applied, so it needs a little more time to stick it a little further because the cardboard's little thin. So there's no thick cardboard on my place, okay? So that's what. I'll stick it like this to make sure that the gap never been left like this. So hold on for a few seconds until it's dry. And there you have it. Your 2D pop-up card is ready. And I actually made it stick to the ends right here, and I folded it back. I folded the card like this to make sure it enhances a little stickiness to it. So if you open it carefully, there you go. So this is how you make the 2D pop-up card. I was being inspired from Rob. If you are unfamiliar about this, you know mad stuff with Rob. I used to be a childhood fan when I used to watch his programs all this day, all over those years. Sorry, and this is how I made this. Okay. So without further ado, let's stop this. I think that's it for today's video. Okay. So the reason is I'm actually in my new home today. Those two videos that I made here, which was for September on this month of this year, December. So because my exams of fourth semester wasn't over already, so I'm just want to say thank you very much for waiting for me all the time, because I'm actually here in my new home today. So that's the reason I made those videos on December, just like those videos that I made are from September. So that's the reason I'm in my new home today. But still, my fourth semester exams were not over already because of the very unfortunate situation here during the pandemic 2020. But I will do my best to prove it to you that I'll definitely pass the exams right now. So I'm just letting you know that I'm here in my new home today. So I can't even explain a whole story. So I've actually placed a small letter on Twitter that I am in my new home today, but due to some construction work is going on here, I can't even bear the sounds of outside coming in right now. So I'll definitely make a video about this. So don't miss it. Okay. So my exams are still coming up, so I have to write these exams today. So I mean, the last month of this year, or maybe the next year. Okay. So we'll let you know about those updates, and we'll definitely start the fresh videos once and for all. Okay. So I also made my YouTube and Twitter account if you want to follow this. But I'm really a little scared about it. Okay. I'm literally being scared that, this is my first time following on social media. So please let me know if you love these things. Okay. So I'm literally being scared also. If you see my Twitter account, you will be a little, um, emotional about this. There's another backstory I just want to say. So that's it for today. Okay, guys, that's it for today, guys. And I want to be fearless though. So I'm still fearful already. So that's it. Okay, guys, see you next time.